this is the second one. What you're gonna do, I hope you put the yarn on top of your index finger and the thumb, and then do it this way, gather it the end and then pull it like so. Make a string like that, make a string. And then what you're gonna do, I hope I still know it because it's been a while that I did not do this one. So we're gonna put the end. This is the needle. It happened that I like the needle which is connected, and this is good for making a hat, a bodice, or the scarf. It's already connected, and then you gather all your knitting here. So what you're gonna do, put this one inside here to the loop, and then insert this needle over on top of the first yarn here, and gather the second one, the one on the index finger, and then pull it. This is, we call it casting. And then all the same thing. I hope you will